Bhramri Pranayam. Produce humming sound like a bee. Benefits of pranayam is that it gives soothing effect to our nervous system, relieves mental tension and anxiety, and also helps in reducing anger. This is good for memory and concentration in children. For this practice, sit in any classical pose like Padmasana. Close your eyes and also close your mouth with teeth slightly apart inside. Relax the whole body. Now close your ears with your respective index finger. Inhale slowly and deeply and then exhale, producing a humming sound. Try to feel the vibration of your humming voice throughout your brain. Sound should not be too loud, it should be low. Initially, practice for 10 times a day. After a few days or a month, increase the number of rounds. Hari Om.